We'll guide you through how to fix the camera not working on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as you're then unable to go and use it and take pictures, videos, etc. So let's get some different fixes you can try. What you want to try doing is first of all opening up your settings. In settings, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps just here. In apps, we need to go and find the option for camera. You can go and scroll down like so, and you can also use the search function in the top right as well. When you found it, go and tap on it. You want to tap force stop in the bottom right and confirm a decision to fully close it. Then scroll down to storage, and what we can do is go and press clear data in the bottom left and confirm our decision like so. Now that's been cleared. What you can do is you can go and now open up the camera app and go and see if that's now solved the problem. If it still hasn't, then you can tap and hold on the side button like so, and you can press restart and restart your device. When it starts up again, hopefully now the camera will be working. If you found this useful, then leave a like.